Go.
Ay, good morning.
Morning.
Yung shades ko kasi mataas ng araw. Ay, umaga na eh. Kasi gabi na. May shooting kami mamaya sabay bukas pa. Kasama ko si Marika.
Ay, akala ko ba gaano kita kamahal?
Ito para sa'yo. Nakikita mo video na to, ito para sa'yo. Okay. So, nakikita maglalakad ako, di ba? Atras ka. You will alone.
Paano yung sa'yo milagring?
Milagring.
Igiring-giling.
Giling.
Sa'yo Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson ko alam eh.
Yung gumagano, no?
Direct.
Ilibot mo naman kami sa bahay mo.
Ito ang aking kwarto.
Your room, English speaking.
This is my room.
Of course.
And this is my study table. At the same time, dining table.
And who's that girl?
This is Jandy.
Gunggong
Jandy
Jandy.
Gunggong Jandy. This is my picture.
Your pics?
Yes. This is me. This is me. And let's go to my living room. My
It's so
living
dark.
room. We've run out. Come here, come back here. And this is my mukha. Yan. Ganito yan, pag-apply. Pagkatanggal mo daw yan, ilagay sa mukha.
English nga.
Okay, put the powder on your face. Huwag mo susundan.
Daddy ka mo, sir. Sir,
What's that?
Lysol. Pabango.
Apply it with Rose.
Si Rose, napakagandang bata si Rose. Napakagandang bata niya si Rose.
Introduce her.
This is Rose, Gunggong Jandy, the one and only daughter of President Kang. Okay,
Say hi, Rose.
kung gusto sunod, isira sa video mo.
Hi, Rose.
Sino ba si Rose sa kama doon eh?
So, how are you, Rose?
well,
How you doing? Oy, sir, kamukha mo yung yung vocalista ng by Kem. Sexy. Pose! Pose!
Aray. Excuse me.
Sayang laway ko.
Sir, pwede mag-suggest? Ano ka na lang, yung speaker? Sayo ka ng sayo.
Ayo, di ba may tugtog ka dyan? Ay, sige, sayo tayo.
Ipas mo muna.
May pose ba to?
Wala, ayaw ko. Uy, okay na yung